zoom in like liner.
Are you gonna be able to drop it off, or you gotta stay there?
So guys, this way guys is going to Valencia, ha? Because we're going to Valencia. Yeah. Look at these highlands. That's a mountain over there, guys. That's a mountain. It's very hot. Need to stop,
Where am I going?
to the market. To the market, darling. Asa dapat diri na imananahi? Okay, thank you. So in the front. Heard. They have also road over there, babe. They have road over there. Wow, look at the bread. Agriculture purpose. Look at this bread, guys. I'm very hungry now, guys. Huh?
I don't know. You ask them.
Yeah, she said it's there in the front.
Oh, okay.
So guys, this is the public market. Good soil. Very hungry, guys. I'm guessing this is grocery. Saan man dapat ang taon?
Iguan también. No me escandra.
like this one, guys. Te, magputol ka? Tagbilang, ano? Tag-as ra kaayo ako paputlan. Hindi siya, hindi na ako paputlan ako. Paano kay naubong na guys ako ini pwede ako dyan. Sayad ka ayo. Gamay lang. Gamay lang sa ikuan siya gamay. Bawas niya siya gamay. Asa ang dili sa side. Side. Ako binigit dahil atas sa silang nilo kay
Time. Big.
Ako din siyang paano mandali ah. Oo. Nya, kuan ba siya kay ako din siyang kita kay Andre abang paano tas-tasi lang siya. May tahian sa gitna. May tahi ni siya nga naka
Ipagamian ni mo diha sa
Oo, diri sa diri diretso.
Dayon, sakto na ng height niya.
Yan lang ko siya parang ako din siya.
Kung wala mo na ng height niya.
Here, I can have it.
No, it's fine. Over there. I was like, oh, we need fish.
You want to try some?
It looks good. No,
Yeah.
I just wondered.
Thank you, thank you.
Can we have a little bowl? A little bowl?
Babe, I need to wash my hands. I need to wash my hands.
Here.
Oh man, thank you.
Baby, could you closer to her, baby? You're welcome. It's a lot. It's okay.
You get some fish. Try it.
Ano siya?
Huh? Well, you and Paul had fish. You good? Yeah, I'm gonna order some to take home.
Here, there you go.
Thanks.
There's plenty more.
All right. Since you gave me the soup, I'm gonna give you Tennessee and 3 points.
For what, a meal here?
Yeah, what that-
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be, that's our first real game. Yeah, we don't play anybody next week, and then, yeah, the 14th is our first real game.
What do y'all play Vanderbilt?
Vanderbilt? I don't know who we playing this year.
Didn't like it?
Yeah, we got a good, we got Tennessee, Alabama, Auburn, Florida, Texas, Mississippi. Those are all pretty good teams.
Yeah, I'm from Nashville.
Where?
Nash-
It's yes. Oi! Sige. Yes. That.
Wow, fancy. I'll never get off the couch.
I guess it's better to keep the box, you think? Or not? I guess it's fine, it's not. We have plenty of
Or unless they want it, I don't know. They might want it back.
Yeah. No, because
That's the way
that
it is.
one it's hard to
It slide in
take
easy, but
off.
it don't come out easy.
It's not come out easily too, so we have a hard time when trying to, you know.
Buka ma'am.
Ah, okay.
Just click this.
Ah,
And then you
okay.
pull.
Okay, I got you now. So I understand now, baby.
Mm.
Mm. Wow, that couch is very nice, huh? We thought it's not real.
Very fancy.
Yes, very fancy. I like it. I like also this one. Huh? It's very nice, soft.
What goes here?
Oh, that one. Very fancy couch. Same rasad ni siya ani kuya pag ano pagtangtang. Oo.
Bali, ano mo lang. Itusok mo na kami, buo mo na sa daga mo.
Okay, okay.
Nothing to it.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Yeah. I like it.
Try.
Oh, you need to sit bossing. Oh, no. Ituyo kuya. Kay adto man facing to the TV. He needs to try because he's the one need to sit comfortable. Yeah. Okay.
You want tea or?
Sit first daw, babe.
Oh, very soft. Oh yeah, I'll be asleep.
Very nice.
Well, you want
Oh, we can
tea? Too big?
yeah, give them tubig. So we can put the remote here, guys. And this is like a glass, you know. It's very nice. Very fancy. Wala, gilak niya. Go. Okay. Okay, okay. Very nice. Take.
It come out of your bag, it wasn't me.
Yes, sir. Picture ako, sir. Balik na ng 59,700, ma'am. Okay. Wala ka pinsigil, ma'am?
Just keep,
Sige. Sige.
for you. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Papirmanan ako dahil, ma'am.
Okay,
Balik
sign.
ko ako nila ng habit ng puti, kaya mo isang yellow.
Okay, okay. You need to sign here, my love. I'm gonna pick up Monday my clothes, adjustment clothes. I'm gonna pick up that on Monday afternoon, the late set. So guys, if you like this video, guys, please like and subscribe to my channel to help my channel grow. Thank you so much, guys.